Geographical Diversity of India, Chapter 1 of Class 7 Social Science book. This video contains the exam-ready answers for all the possible questions from this chapter. Let us start without wasting time. Question. Which mountain range lies in the north of India? Answer. The Himalayas. Question. Which physiographic region of India is highly fertile and supports large population? Answer. The Gangetic Plains. Question. Name the large desert in the western part of India. Answer. Thar Desert. Question. Which region of India is rich in minerals and forests? Answer. The Peninsular Plateau. Question. Name the two main island groups of India. Answer. Andaman and Nicobar Islands and Lakshadweep Islands. Question. Between which two gulfs is the southern part of India located? Answer. Gulf of Kutch and Gulf of Mannar. Question. Which coast is longer? Western or eastern? Answer. Western coast. Question. Name two major rivers that flow through the Gangetic Plains. Answer. Ganga and Yamuna. Question. Which river forms an estuary on the west coast? A. Narmada or Tapti. Question. Which countries form the Indian subcontinent along with India? Answer. Pakistan, Bangladesh, Nepal, Bhutan, Sri Lanka and Myanmar. Question. Why is India called a mini continent? Answer. Because it has great variety of landforms, climates, soils, and vegetation, each supporting different lifestyles. Question. What are Sahyadri Hills? Answer. The northern portion of the Western Ghats are known as Sahyadri Hills. Question. How long is Indian coastline? Answer. Indian coastline is over 7,500 kilometers long. Question. What is the span of the east coast of India? Answer. The east coast of India spans from the Ganga Delta to Kanyakumari. Question. What is the span of the west coast of India? Answer. The vast coast of India spans from Gujarat to Kerala. Question. What is the world's largest river delta? Answer. The Ganges-Brahmaputra Delta, also known as the Sundarbans or Bengal Delta, is the world's largest river delta. Question. Name 5 rivers that flow into the Bay of Bengal. Answer. Ganges, Brahmaputra, Godavari, Krishna, Mahanadi. Question. What it is called when river splits into multiple streams near the coast? Answer. Delta. Question. What is archipelago? Answer. An archipelago is a group or chain of islands clustered together in a sea, ocean, lake, or river. Example, Lakshadweep Islands. Question. How many islands are there in Lakshadweep Islands? Answer. 36 islands. Question. Where is the only active volcano of India situated? Answer. In Barren Island, Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Question. Which falls is known as the Niagara of India? Answer. Chitrakoot Falls in Chhattisgarh is widely called the Niagara of India. Question. What is Seven Sisters Waterfalls? Answer. Seven Sisters Falls, Nosngithang Falls, is a segmented waterfall near Cherrapunji, Meghalaya, India. Question. What is the cleanest village in Asia? Answer. Molinong village in Meghalaya's East Khasi Hills is Asia's cleanest village. Question. Give one example of river island in India. Answer. Majuli, Assam. Question. How many UNESCO sites are there in India? Answer. 44. Question. How do the Himalayas affect India's climate? Answer. They protect India from cold Central Asian winds and help in bringing monsoon rains. Question. Name one coastal ecosystem in India. Answer. Sundarbans, mangrove forests. Question. Why is geographical diversity important for India? Answer. It supports different crops, industries, and cultural practices, making India rich in economic and cultural variety. Question. Name the neighbor countries of India. Answer. India has 9 neighboring countries in total, 7 by land and 2 by sea. Land neighboring countries. These countries share a physical land border with India. Pakistan, to the northwest. China, to the north. Nepal, to the north. Bhutan, to the northeast. Bangladesh, to the east. Myanmar, to the far east. Afghanistan, a very short land border via the disputed POK region. Sea neighboring, maritime, countries. Sri Lanka, south, across the Palk Strait and Gulf of Mannar. Maldives, southwest, in the Indian Ocean. Question. What do you mean by subcontinent? Answer. A subcontinent means a large, distinct part of a continent that is separated from the rest by natural features like mountains, seas, or oceans, and has its own unique geography, climate, and culture. For example, the Indian subcontinent is a big piece of Asia that includes India and nearby countries and is almost cut off from the rest of Asia by the Himalayas in the north and the seas all around. Question. Why is India called a subcontinent? Answer. India is called a subcontinent because it has distinct physical features like mountains, plains, deserts, plateaus, coasts, and islands and is separated from the rest of Asia by natural boundaries. Question. How many geographical regions are there in India? Answer. India can be divided into 6 major geographical regions based on its landforms. The Himalayan mountains, the Jungfold mountain system in the north, including the Greater Himalayas, Lesser Himalayas, and Shivaliks. The northern, Indo-Gangetic plains, vast, flat river plains formed by the Indus, Ganga, and Brahmaputra and their tributaries. The peninsular plateau, the triangular, old hard rock tableland of central and southern India, including the Deccan Plateau and Central Highlands. The Indian desert, mainly the Thar Desert in western Rajasthan, with arid conditions and sand dunes. The coastal plains, narrow strips along the Arabian Sea, west coast, and Bay of Bengal, east coast. The islands, the Andaman and Nicobar Islands in the Bay of Bengal and the Lakshadweep Islands in the Arabian Sea. Question. Describe the natural boundaries of India. Answer. India's natural boundaries are formed by major physical features that almost surround the country on all sides. North. The towering Himalayan mountain range acts as a natural barrier between India and the rest of Asia. South. The Indian Ocean lies to the south, surrounding the Indian peninsula and separating it from other continents. East. The Bay of Bengal forms the eastern natural boundary, along with the Eastern Ghats and the Purvanchal Hills in the northeast. West. The Arabian Sea lies to the west, while the Thar Desert in Rajasthan forms a major land-based natural boundary in the northwest. These natural features have helped protect India, shape its climate, and give it a distinct geographical identity. Question. What do you mean by 8,000ers? Answer. 8,000ers refers to the 14 highest mountains in the world, each with a summit above 8,000 meters above sea level. Question. Why are the Himalayas called the Water Tower of Asia? Answer. The Himalayas are called the Water Tower of Asia because they store huge amounts of snow and ice and feed many of Asia's largest rivers, like the Indus, Ganges, Brahmaputra, Yangtze, Yellow, Mekong, and others, supplying water to nearly 2 billion people. Question. How large is the Himalayan range? Answer. The Himalayan range is about 2,500 kilometers long, up to 400 kilometers wide, and cover nearly 6 lakh square km across India, Nepal, Bhutan, China, Pakistan, and Afghanistan. Question. How are the Himalayas important for India? Answer. The Himalayas are very important for India because 1. They block cold winds and help bring the monsoon rains, shaping India's climate. 2. They are the source of major rivers like the Ganga, Brahmaputra, and Indus, supplying water for drinking, irrigation, and hydropower. 3. They form a natural defense barrier along the northern border. 4. Their rivers created the fertile northern plains, which support most of India's agriculture. 5. They provide forests, biodiversity, and hill station tourism that support the economy. Question. What is glacier? Answer. A glacier is a large, slow-moving river of ice formed by accumulated and compressed snow in high mountains or cold regions. It flows downhill under its own weight and feeds rivers with meltwater. Question. What is Gomukh? Answer. Gomukh, also written Gomukh, is the snout, terminal end, of the Gangotri Glacier in the Himalayas and the source of the Bhagirathi River, one of the main headstreams of the Ganga, Ganges. Its name means, cow's mouth. Question. How did the Himalayas form? Answer. The Himalayas formed because of plate tectonic collision between the Indian plate and the Eurasian plate. Millions of years ago, the Indian plate broke away from Gondwana and moved northward, crossing an ancient ocean called the Tethys. About 40 to 50 million years ago, the Indian plate collided with the Eurasian plate. Because both are continental and of similar density, they could not easily slide under each other. The huge pressure folded and pushed the crust upwards, crumpling the sediments of the Tethys and creating the towering, folded mountain range we now call the Himalayas. The plates are still moving and colliding, so the Himalayas are still rising slowly by a few millimeters each year. Question. What is the meaning of Himalaya? Answer. The word Himalaya comes from Sanskrit and means abode of snow, or house of snow, formed from Hima, snow, and Ale, abode, home. Question. Categories the ranges of the Himalayas. Answer. The main ranges of the Himalayas are 1. Greater Himalayas, Himadri. The innermost and highest range, with peaks like Mount Everest, Kanchenjunga, and Nanda Devi. Average height about 6,000 meters, always snow-covered with many glaciers. 2. Lesser Himalayas, Himachal. Also called Middle Himalayas, lies south of the Greater Himalayas. Average height about 3,500–5,000 meters, with famous ranges like Pir Panjal, Dhauladhar, Mahabharat and hill stations such as Shimla, Darjeeling, Nainital. 3. Outer Himalayas, Shivalik Hills. The southernmost and lowest range, forming the foothills. Height usually 900–1,500 meters, made of loose sediments carried down from the higher ranges. Question. What is Khat Kuni? Answer. Khat Kuni, or Dhajji Devari, is a traditional, eco-friendly Himalayan building technique that uses interlocked wood and stone to make strong, long-lasting houses and temples. Question. What is the Great Himalayan National Park? Answer. Great Himalayan National Park is a high-altitude Himalayan reserve in Kullu, Himachal Pradesh. It is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and protected for its unique ecosystems and many endangered species, like snow leopard, Himalayan brown bear, musk deer, Himalayan tahr, bharal, blue sheep, and the rare western tragopan pheasant etc. Question. What do you mean by flora and fauna? Answer. Flora means all the plant life found in a particular region or ecosystem, such as trees, grasses, shrubs, flowers, and even algae. Fauna means all the animal life in that same area, including mammals, birds, reptiles, insects, and aquatic animals. Question. What is cold desert? Answer. A cold desert is a barren, dry area with low rainfall and cold climate, especially in winter, such as the Ladakh region of India. Question. Why is Ladakh called Moonland? Answer. Ladakh is called Moonland because its barren, rocky, and oddly shaped landscape closely resembles the surface of the moon. Question. Why are yaks important for the people in the Himalayas? Answer. Yaks are vital because they provide food, transport, fuel, clothing, and even cultural meaning to Himalayan communities living at high altitudes. Question. Why is the water of Pangong so salty? Answer. Unlike most Himalayan freshwater lakes, Pangong So at Ladakh has salty water because it is a closed basin lake, so water flows in but cannot flow out, so the dissolved salts and minerals brought down from the surrounding rocks stay in and get concentrated as water evaporates. The rest of the question answers from this chapter is in the next part of this video. If you think this video is helpful, please subscribe to the channel and share the video. Thank you for watching.